What is your favorite animal?
I love frogs. They can catch insects with their tongue.
What does frogs eat?
Frogs eat many things, such as spiders and flies.
Ew, I'm not a fan of spiders. I watch all spiders would all disappear.
Did you know that if you were to take away all the spiders, this would lead to the extinction of frogs?
Oh no, that would be awful. Extinction means we would never see them again.
Why does the frog go away? I only want spiders to become extinct.
Frogs eat spiders. If you disrupt one organism, it will affect another. That's the power of food chains.
What are food chains?
Let's take a walk outside. I'm sure you would be able to see many examples of food chains at work.
I see a plant with berries on it. Is that part of a food chain?
Hello there. I am definitely part of the food chain. A food chain is a sequence of who eats who to get energy. Someone is going to eat me to get energy and nutrition.
But how do you eat energy?
Get energy.
Oh, get energy.
From the sun, of course. I am the primary source of energy for all living things. I need energy from the sun to grow. This is the beginning of what is known as the energy pyramid, which is the passing of energy from one source to another. The sun is the first step of the pyramid. I pass my energy on to producers.
What is a producer?
A producer is a living organism that makes its own energy. Thanks to photosynthesis, plants use the sun's energy to produce energy for ourselves.
Next come animals like me who need to eat plants in order to survive.
Animals that eat other living things are called consumers. They have to consume energy in order to survive. The berry will pass its energy to the mouse.
That's right. I consume only plants and fruit, which make me an herbivore.
I've heard of herbivores. Are horses, cows, and deers all herbivores?
Yes, they are. Only plants for us, please.
There are other consumers as well, such as animals that eat other animals as well as plants.
You would be speaking of animals like me called omnivores. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. I need to eat plants like the berry and animals like the mouse to have energy and nutrients.
That sounds like me. I like hamburgers and fries, which are made from potatoes. Does that make me an omnivore?
Definitely. People, bears, raccoons, and foxes are all omnivores.
The last type of consumer eats only meat from other animals.
Are you talking about carnivores?
Oh, hey, look, a frog. That's my favorite animal.
Carnivores like me eat only meat in order to gain energy. I eat all sort of insects.
Well, now I understand why I cannot eliminate spiders. If all the spiders were gone, frogs would not have enough to eat.
Frogs would not be able to survive without delicious spiders. If I were to disappear, then all the animals that eat me will disappear too. Bears, hawks, and otters would become extinct.
Once you affect one organism, the entire food chain is affected.
So the energy has passed from plants to animals, or animals to animals. But what happens when animals die? Where does the energy go?
Vultures like me feed on dead organisms. We are called scavengers. Dead plants and animals give us all the nutrients we need.
You eat dead things. Why do you do that?
We are very important to the ecosystem. Our job is to decompose.
Decomposers break down and decay organisms that were once alive.
Without decomposers, like us, there will be nothing to get rid of. The dead organisms, they would just pile up around you, and it would not be very nice.
Like the vulture, I am also a decomposer. I break down dead organisms and turn them into nutrients for soil. The plants that you see around you need more than just the sun for energy. They need energy for the soil.
So the energy that started with the berries goes back to the berries.
Energy is passed in the energy pyramid from producers to consumers to decomposers, who get the soil ready for producers. It is constantly being recycled.